Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza.
That's right, Anton. I'm here with Phil Kainglet. Congratulations to you guys again. So what was the difference lang between yung laro nyo sa second set tsaka sa third set?
I think nung second set, maayos yung mga receives namin, nakaka-receive kami ng mga plays, tsaka walang masyadong errors. Pero nung third set, siguro nag-relax lang kami at nawala yung receive namin at some point. Kaya ganun siguro.
Pero how do you guys feel now about the rest of the season now that you guys are on a 5-game and 15-set winning streak?
So far, so good. Kasi na-apply namin yung mga pinaghirapan namin sa training. Tsaka masaya kasi wala pa kaming talo.
Okay. Well, congratulations. Do you want to greet anybody?
Hi po sa mga teammates ko, kay Ella, kay Mona, kay Beatan, kay Kiwi. Hi po sa mga friends ko, kay Neil, kay Miggy, kay John, kay Mundo, kay Tech. Tsaka po sa belated happy birthday kay Denden Lazaro. And yun lang, hi sa family and friends ko.
Tama yan. Congratulations again, Phil. That was Phil Kainglet, our Shakey's best player of the game. Back to you guys.
Kita makikita kailan kita mayayakap muli ang ating mga pangako kay dali namang nagla